Hello everyone, I am Urvi, studying in grade 10th from St. Willibrord High School. So, here is our special guest. If you would describe the entire expo in one word, what it would be and why?
The entire expo, majestic, wonderful. I'd say great effort by the children and the teachers to train the children. So wonderful.
How was your experience attending today's expo?
Oh, I learned a lot. I learned about Suno. I learned about Grok and a lot of AI tools. And children were very excited to show me about the World Leaders program, showing me about the books and what they publish. So it's a very good initiative, to publish a book at 15.
Mhm.
We never got that opportunity. So I really loved that opportunity. And I was so excited to talk to grade 10. Shrushti and Rashmi were the ones who,
Shrushti and Rashi.
Rashi were the ones who I spent a lot of time with.
Hmm.
I didn't want to come out because I was very excited seeing them,
Mhm.
their intro, and everything was wonderful.
Had you tried to write something in your age? At our
I was a good writer. I've got prizes from the university for essay writing competitions and all that when I was doing my master's. But I have never got the encouragement like you have got and the exposure that your principal, your teachers are giving you. I haven't got that exposure. And I really want to give that exposure to my child and my school children. So that is something I'd really like to take back. Wonderful.
good to hear from you.
Yeah.
And what was your overall perspective for us students?
The overall perspective would be that, children, you have learned so much about technology, and being empathetic would be something that you can take back. Okay, understanding what others feel, the values, what your parents give you, the values that your teachers give you, what they instill in you stays with you forever. So, what you teach, you need to touch lives forever. So, when you are doing this AI, you actually are touching lives. We are getting to know, others are getting to know, and technology can be used in an empathetic way. So, that's something you need to remember. Giving technology to children, which is a wonderful thing. World leaders are all coming together to bring this concept of NEP, this beautiful concept of NEP in schools. And being an SSC school doing this is incredible. That's what I'd like to say. I'd like to say that most of the schools should train children in skill development. And this is one aspect, one pedagogy of skill development, which the school is aiming at, which is a wonderful stand. I like the microsystem, the macro system, I mean, the main heads training the microsystem, the teachers who are initiating this program, which in the long run is going to help because you're not only training one aspect, you're training many, many, many. So you're creating a legacy and you're really going to bring about a revolution in education.
Thank you.